Welcome everyone, you've upgraded to iOS 16 and everything is lagging, okay? Something as simple as moving widgets around, I don't know if you can tell, that is lagging quite hard. Let's fix it. So real quick, iOS 16 is made for iPhone 11 and newer, but it does support the older devices. So we can't use a magic wand, but we can do some tips and tricks to help improve the overall speed. The main one, I'm going to cover it first, is you open up the settings app. You're going to search up for reduce motion here, tap on this one and then turn this one on. So this will effectively remove the animations off of your device, and so what that means is, look how fast that opened up the settings, for example. It's going to help speed things up, okay? The iOS 16 fancy animations will cause slowdown if you have iPhone XS or older, okay? I want iPhone 10, turning this on helps out. If you want a different transition style, you can turn on prefer crossfade transitions, and it'll give you a crossfade when closing out of apps, etc. On top of this, what we can do is, let's go back to the settings app. We'll then go to find where it says mail, tap on this one. You're then going to tap on accounts. You're going to find where it says fetch new data, tap on this one and set fetch to manually. So what happens is, by default, if you have a mail account, every 10 to 20 seconds or even faster, the mail app is constantly fetching the mail servers. Is new mail available? Is new mail available? And what this does is it will slow down your iPhone, number one. Number two, it will drain your battery life. If you watch my battery video, you know this also drains the battery. So by setting this to manually, or every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, you're not going to have the slowdown caused when the mail is constantly fetching the mail. So that is definitely very useful. On top of this, you want to search up for background app refresh. Tap on this one and turn off background app refresh. So what this does is, when an app is in the background, it is able to download new content. And when it's downloading new content, first of all, it's going to use your internet. Second of all, it's going to use your processor speed. And third of all, it's going to use power, okay? And all those three things combined means your device is going to run slower. What this does not mean is apps can't run in the background, okay? No, they can run, right? So for example, notes, I'm going to open this guy up, I'm going to continue, and I'll create a new note real quick. And if I go home to settings, you can see the app still stays open in the background. What it prevents is background apps like notes from fetching new content, from downloading new content, okay? That is definitely extremely beneficial. And with those three things, this will improve the lag situation. But again, keep in mind, iOS 16 is meant for the newer devices, okay? So let's go here, and then let's just tap on plus, for example. And remember earlier that slider was extremely laggy, which I was using. Let's go to like this one, use the slider, and when I grip it, I don't know if you can see that, but it's actually running at 60 FPS, okay? It's like actually running really smooth. You will notice the difference, alright? Like even moving stuff, this is running at a smooth 60 FPS. It's the small tips and tricks here and there which do help with the lag. Unfortunately, you can't have the full smooth animations. However, again, those are made for the newer iPhones. They're not made for the older iPhones like iPhone 10, 8, XS, etc. So with that being said, thanks for watching.